Well, you know, art auctions get the big numbers and the big headlines, but when it comes to investment returns, art actually didn't look quite as good in 2014. An analysis by Douglas Elliman and Knight Frank, the luxury realtors, found that art came in third when it comes to investment returns on collectibles. Art posting a 5% return in the past 12 months. Ranking second was coins. And the best collectible investment you could make in 2014 was classic cars, up 25% for the year. Cars also won over a 5 and 10-year period, posting gains of 469% over that past decade. Now, don't try auctioning off your 92 Corolla, because it's mainly vintage Ferraris, Porsches, and Mercedes that are driving all these prices. Of the top 10 most expensive cars auctioned in 2014, 9 were Ferraris, including that 1962 GTO you're seeing right there that sold for $38 million this summer. Cars have also been less volatile than art over the past decade, and actually, get this, less volatile than stocks or gold. And today, check this out, we had one of the collectibles of tomorrow. The McLaren P1 does 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds, $1.2 million, but sorry, even if you have the money, it's already sold out. Some of these are already being offered for resale for $1.7 million.
So, a couple things. Where are the buyers coming from? And what impact, if they're coming globally, is the stronger dollar going to have on the collectible market here?
It's a very global market. There will be some impact, but what we saw in the fall auctions when the dollar was already pretty strong, it didn't have much impact. The Chinese are still in there. The Russians are out. But Chinese, Middle East, Latin Americans, and the Americans.
Are they buying more of these collectible cars than we are?
No, with the collectible cars, it's still very much a U.S. market. But again, we're going to see in January with the Scottsdale auctions. So far, people telling me that that's going to come in very strong, record numbers again in January for car sales. So no end in sight right now. But if you look at where prices have gone 10 years, something's got to correct, especially at that very top end with the Ferraris.
What's more surprising, that art is third or that coins are second?
Coins and stamps are those two categories that are really boring and do really well if you know how to buy well.